speaking about the 500 million allegations by the member of the opposition party, Naira, to support Ondo flag of election, what's your take on that?
Well, he has been doing it and failing. He went to Kogi with billions. He failed. I think he's still the one they said they should. I think those PDP people are very smart people. They know how to deceive you to get your money. That was how they were doing for former governor. I don't want to mention his name again. When he was the only Lone Ranger in the Southwest. Then they were seeing him as the leader, this and that. They were calling him all sorts of names. Just to be able to get your money. The same thing they are doing for Seyi Makinde. You know, they say, you call a dog a bad name so that I can hang the dog. So they are only using them to siphon the money of the people of your state. You remember that he went to Kogi and he failed. He's still the one they said is going to go in charge of Edo. I think maybe when they've been able to get enough money from him, they've asked him to face Ondo. So they will take his money, and then when he failed, he will learn how to. But I think it is not only 500 million that he's going to spend. It's only 500 million for the flag off. For the election proper, they are going to take another billions, not 1 billion, billions from him. So those are where he's putting all the loan he's taking. He's using your say to take. Those are where he's putting the money. When you go and take, money that you want to do this, you want to do that. Look at the park management system they said they are going to build. I don't know. Look, I schooled in Benin. I can tell you, Yare Moto, Idausa, Edegbe, and all the rest of them, they have motor parks. I don't see how Edegbe, Iyare, and what have you, we spend billions to build their motor park. But it's because it's government that they are saying they are taking billions to build motor park. The highest you can use to build motor park in today Nigeria, you cannot even spend more than 20-50 million. You cannot spend more than 20, at the highest 50 million. You say you want to bid for, yes, 50 million, give it to him, 200 million. You now take 20 billion. 20 billion. We all know what is happening. All those billions they are getting the loan of is just to be able to service all the gapping mouths that are hungry in PDP, to put something there so that I can put money there for them. You see, when you see, I don't want to mention them, I don't want to dignify by mentioning their names. When you see some people in PDP praising you, they have collected your money. There was one person that was, insulted your journalist colleague. He was going around saying he's inspecting projects. Is it money? Is it the project is inspecting or collecting money? It's not project. His money is collecting. So after collecting money from the governor, he will now start praising him. Look, it is not the 500 million Seyi Makinde is going to spend in Ondo. He is going to spend not less than 5 billion.
All right, so let's shifting from Seyi Makinde back into the party. Speaking about the reconciliation meeting, what is your take about that? Is it a preparation step for 2023 election?
Let me take it from where you stopped. Yes, it is preparatory towards 2023 election. Yoruba used to say it. Wọ́n ní àìrìnpọ̀ ejò ní ìṣekú pa wọ́n, tí mọ̀nàmọ́ná tó bá síwájú, tí òjòlá tẹ̀lé, tí awọ́rúrú tẹ̀lé, ó lójú ẹni tó lè dáàbò àwọn ejò. Yes, I don't want to believe that we lost 2019 election to Seyi Makinde. We did not. It is our people that sold us out. And we knew what happened and we have taken care of what happened. The reconciliation is going on, yes, as expected. And I think everybody should have seen the need for them to embrace their own. Look at this man, Seyi Makinde, that scam all of them. When they were going into negotiation, he never told them he's not going to give them what they asked for. He told them he's going to give everything they asked for. But at the end of the day, did he give them? No. So that is the lesson all those people who left the party have learned, that you don't trade off your own. And I want to believe that now that virtually all of them are, almost all of them are now back, they should learn to know that it is not good. It is not good to scatter the house that we toiled to build. Because can you imagine the governor telling those people that he has fulfilled all his promises to them, and in another way telling them that anybody who wants appointment should go and declare for PDP? Did he tell them when they were negotiating that before I give you any appointment, you have to declare for PDP? He never told them, but they know they don't have anybody. They know they don't have anybody in PDP. Look, the PDP of today in Nigeria and in Oyo State is an empty house. It's an empty house. Except we want to deceive ourselves. It's an empty house. So, but you see, just like we have some people, some party that exist only on the pages of newspaper, you only get them to come home when the election is coming. You will see like 70 party, they will say 70 party has adopted this party. Look at them. How many of them are in that party? We know of one party that is only made up of only 3 people. The president and the chairman of the party, the secretary, and maybe the public secretary. That one will be making the noise. The secretary, when they want to sign anything, and the chairman, that's all. Most of the party are just like that. I don't, just for the sake of not seem to be, because some people, they might see it as one is offending them. I remember 2019 election. Some parties said they want to adopt our candidate. I said no problem. And if they should adopt our candidate, they want so amount of money. I said no problem. I was the one that attended to them. I said no problem. You want to adopt our party, our candidate, no problem. What you should do for me is give me from any of the local government that you exist, give me the 2020 names of your, I'm not saying ward though, I said local government. Give me, at least in a local government you should have some executive. I know minimum you should have 20. I said give me 2020 names. I did not say names only. I said give me their telephone number. I did not go further. And I now said, they now went to say, to get the name, okay. At least, maybe for the 11 local government of Ibadan land, get 2020 for me. Let them come to the office and meet me. Just in Ibadan. I didn't say Oyo. I did not say Okeogun. I did not say Ibarakpa. I said only local government of Ibadan. Get me 2020 to come and meet me. They could not come again. Because those parties just exist on paper. They don't have anybody. So PDP is going towards that.